Welcome to a new series I'm putting on the channel. This is going to be called Music Theory Thursdays. What I want to do with this is to offer up to all musicians, not just drummers, I want to offer up the concept in small chunks of music theory. Music theory to a lot of people can get out of hand really fast. So we're going to start with crazy small and short videos on just small topics. Today I want to talk about the staff. The staff is where we write music. An individual staff looks like this. Each one of these is a staff. Notice that the staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. Pretty much everything in music is counted from the bottom up. So this would be line 1 up to line 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing with the spaces. This is space 1, that's space 4. Always 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the staff. What I would love for you to do is down in the comments section, take my little quiz, and here's the quiz. Tell me what number the top line of the staff is. Tell me what number the middle line of the staff is. Tell me what space, what the top space is. Put that down in the comment section. I'll grade it. I'll send it back to you, tell you if you got it right. So that's it, the staff. That's all we're going to do today. Next week, we're going to take on a new topic to add to this one, and hopefully over time, you guys will see that music theory isn't all that scary. Take it in small chunks, add things together. It's really kind of that simple. Yeah, it can get tricky. There's no doubt it can. But my hope is that we're going to go small and that over time, you'll see that this plus this plus this plus this, as opposed to here's a whole bunch of stuff. You're going to see that it's easier to just put small snippets together. All right, folks, thanks for checking this out. And until the next time, hey, if you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Most of them are drum based, but we're going to add this music theory thing in. If you like this type of content, hit that like button. And until the next time, take care, everybody.